बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स। आज की इस वीडियो में हम टोटल क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट 510 के सॉल्व्ड एमसीक्यूज डिस्कस करेंगे। चलते हैं अपने पहले क्वेश्चंस की तरफ। पहला क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज़ क्वालिटी। इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, मीटिंग एंड एक्सीडिंग द कस्टमर्स एक्सपेक्टेशंस। Question number 2. All of the following are the ground to give birth to total quality approach except option D, political disorder. All of the following are the major decision areas in supply chain management except pricing. Option D. Which of the following is true for subsystem? सही आंसर है ऑप्शन डी। These are linked together as internal customers and suppliers. In which of the following operations great deal of variations can occur? Manufacturing. Correct option is option A. With total quality perspective, employees are empowered to think and make recommendations for which of the following? Continual improvement. सही ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन ए, continual improvement. Question number 7. Which one of the following depicts durability, a dimension of quality, useful life? Option C is the correct one. Which of the following statement is true for total quality? The first statement is true for total quality, that is, stresses on learning and adaptation to change. Question number 9. What is the objective of a TQM system? Continuous improvement. Option A is correct, continuous improvement. Question number 10. Which of the following results in low cost? Correct option is option A, high productivity and high capacity utilization. Next paper का question number 1. In the process of acquiring the certificate of ISO 9000, which step follows the step of setting the registration objectives? Option D, select the appropriate standards. Question number 2. In the process of acquiring the certificate of ISO 9000, which step follows the step of pre-assessment by registrar? Take corrective actions. Option A. Question number 3. In the process of acquiring the certificate of ISO 9000, which step follows the step of developing and implementing the quality and management system? Option B is correct. Select a third party registrar. Question number 4. In the process of acquiring the certificate of ISO 9000, which step follows the step of selecting the appropriate standards? Develop and implementing the QMS. Option C is correct. Question number 5. In the process of acquiring the certificate of ISO 9000, which step follows the step of selecting a third party registrar? Option C is correct. Perform self-analyst audit. Question number 6. In the process of acquiring the certificate of ISO 9000, which step follows the step of performing self-analysis audit? Question number 6 का सही ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन डी, सबमिट क्वालिटी मैनुअल फॉर अप्रूवल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. In the process of acquiring the certificate of ISO 9000, which step follows the step of submitting quality manual for approval? Option A, pre-assessment by registrar is correct. Question number 8. Which of the following is true for higher cost of quality? Option A is correct, doing the wrong thing in the wrong way. For what duration is the ISO certificate valid for any organization? 3 years. ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट। आइडेंटिफाई द कोर लीडरशिप स्किल्स अमंग द फॉलोइंग। इस क्वेश्चन का सही आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, ए बी सी एंड डी। ये 5 ऑप्शंस दी हुई हैं ऊपर, ए बी सी डी ई एफ, तो इनमें से जो 4 ऑप्शन हैं ये करेक्ट हैं, ए बी सी डी, ए बी सी एंड डी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हैं ट्रू फॉल्स। द प्राइमरी रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एक्सीलेंस इज स्ट्रेटेजिक फोकस। ये स्टेटमेंट ट्रू है। The primary requirement for organizational excellence is tactical focus. ये statement false है। Japanese companies mostly are not ISO certified because they think they are beyond the requirements of ISO. True. The means for staff to perform their task right the first time is benefit of implementing the quality management system. True. The means for documenting the company's experience in structured manner is not a benefit of implementing the quality management system. The statement is false. The implementation of the quality management system requires objective evidence. ये statement true है। Question number 17. The implementation of quality management system does not bring clarity and transparency to duties and responsibilities. ये स्टेटमेंट फॉल्स है। द इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम डज नॉट मेक एक्सपोर्ट मार्केटिंग ईजियर। ये स्टेटमेंट फॉल्स है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. विद द इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम द कंपनी कैन नॉट सिक्योर ग्रेटर कस्टमर लॉयल्टी। ये स्टेटमेंट फॉल्स है। Question number 20. With the implementation of quality management system, the company's customer will not receive products or services of a known level of quality that is independently audited. ये statement false है। Thank you so much guys. अगर आपको कोई क्यूरी हो तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में जाके पूछ सकते हैं। Thank you so much.